I'm gonna need some money if I hope to get anything done in this town. I suppose I need a job, but I ought to find a way to advertise my much sought-after employment qualities to the public first. I wonder if there's anything around here that can help me promote myself. Shit. Fuck! The ideal utensil to communicate myself to the masses. Fuck you, asshole. Funny, that's what my therapist said. Ah, the perfect canvas to proclaim my message. Perfect. With this baby, I'll be gainfully employed in no time. Wow, look at the size of that thing. Someone must be compensating for something. Hey, I'm a hungry man who's hankering for some honest employment.
I could get twice the labor for half the price across the border.
Rats. Can't get discouraged yet, though. This is only the beginning of my job search.
Hell no!
Ow!